Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create an access code for Scotiabank. The first thing I want you to do is just come to the website and then click on sign in near the top right, log in with your username and password. And once you're logged in, what I want you to do is just come here and click on manage my account, right? And in this section, you'll see a bunch of different options. What we are interested in is this one right here. As you can see, it says security and passwords. So I want you to click on this. And then here in the left-hand panel, you will actually see create or reset access code. Okay. I want you to click on this and then just create your access code, right? And once you're done with that, you'll see this message. Thank you, your new access code has been saved. That's all you have to do. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.